The July 2010 flash floods wreaked havoc in Pakistan. The floods killed nearly 2,000 people and have significantly affected 20 million people. Every province of the country, along with AJK and Gilgit-Baltistan, has been struck by the unusual severity of the monsoon rains.
हमारे इतना सामान डूब गया पानी में। अभी हम इधर रहते हैं, हम इधर क्या करेंगे? ना इधर नमाज का जगह है, ना साफ पानी है, ना हमको कुछ सही तरीके से मिलते हैं। हम क्या करेंगे? किधर ही बस बैठे, गर्मी में बैठे, शाम को भी उधर होते, दिन को भी उधर होते।
The floods have badly damaged the community infrastructure, including access roads, bridges, flood protection structures, health and education, and water facilities.
सारा कार तबाह बर्बाद हो गया, सामान सारा तबाह हो गया। बिल्कुल जड़ा था एक कपड़े ने जोड़े चाहे बच्चे ने पता नहीं बच्चे किथे नसी किथे कोई पता नहीं। अपनी मेहनत मजदूरी थे अपना कार बढ़ाया, अपने सामान फ्रिज हर चीज दरवाजे टूट फूट सब कुछ हो गया।
Agriculture, which provides employment to 50% of the Pakistan's workforce, is extremely hard hit. Micro, small and home-based businesses have been destroyed. The hardest hit are the poorest and most vulnerable, including women and children, the disabled and marginalized social groups. As a part of the local and international efforts, Human Appeal International was one of the first organizations to be present on the actual disaster-hit grounds in the north of Pakistan to address some of the life-saving and time-critical needs of the affected people. Human Appeal quickly mobilized its resources to avert starvation and deaths among the people stranded in the infrastructure battered and hard to reach areas of Swat Valley in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It provided nearly 10,000 people with 3-month food rations and allied non-food items. An additional 28,000 plus were provided food aid as the flood waters travelled to low-lying areas in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab.
यहाँ पे सैलाब आया और काफ़ी तबाही मचाई, घर तबाह हुए, मवेशी मर गए और किसी ने पूछा तक नहीं। ये ह्यूमन अपील वाले आए, हमें टेंट भी दिए और राशन भी तकसीम की।
Access to clean drinking water and sanitation facilities has remained a major concern even before the flood. The floods contaminated majority of the water sources and made them non-functional.
Hand pumps, one of the 4 hand pumps that Human Appeal has set up just within this village alone. The tent city behind me serves 90 families there. This is one of the points where the families can come access clean, safe water to wash their clothes, to keep themselves clean and their children, safe drinking water. This is one of the 4 hand pumps that we've dotted around within the close proximity.
Human Appeal constructed latrines for 500 households and provided them with clean drinking water through provision of household water treatment and storage options. Community-based basic hygiene and behavioral change communication was an important focus in the implementation of the water and sanitation activities. The floods have destroyed 1.8 million houses and over 12,000 villages. The provision of transitional shelters to the flood-affected people and helping them rebuild their houses are the primary priorities of Human Appeal.
But now what we're doing is that we've come to a very special place in Rahim Yar Khan, and we've selected 4 villages within this district. This village is called Nazirabad in Beit Sui. the Union Council in Gulab Shah, and what we're doing here is that we've come to inaugurate the stone that we're going to lay for building the 4 villages. In each village there's about 60 homes, and each home costs a mere £2,000, and this home will provide 2 rooms, a bathroom and a kitchen. And along with this, our long-term development project, we're integrating all the projects. We're providing water and sanitation, we're providing livelihood and income generating projects for the families. This camp that you see behind me here, this is a very small camp of about 90 families, and these are those families that have lost everything.
A tent village was set up for 300 displaced families immediately after the floods, while 200 households are being supported to rebuild their destroyed homes. The lack of food, clean drinking water and shelter has posed serious challenges to the health of the affected people. The Human Appeal organised mobile health clinics to provide emergency health care for more than 5,000 families.
ये तो इफेक्टेड एरिया है, यहाँ पर सैलाब ने बहुत नुकसान किया है। यहाँ पर स्केबीज़ है, ज़्यादातर स्केबीज़ है, और बच्चों में ज़्यादातर स्केबीज़ है, और इसके साथ साथ मलेरिया भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, और डायरिया, डायसेंट्री, गैस्ट्रो और मियादी बुखार, टाइफाइड वगैरह। बड़ों में ज़्यादातर एंजाइटी और टेंशन है, इसलिए कि इन लोगों के घर और कारोबार वगैरह सब तबाह हो चुके हैं। यह हम आए ह्यूमन अपील इंटरनेशनल की तरफ से देखते हैं। हमारे साथ इन सब बीमारियों की दवाई जो है ना ह्यूमन अपील ने मुहैया की है, और तकरीबन हम ह्यूमन अपील से 1 महीने के से मुसलसल ये कैंप लगा रहे हैं।
We are also helping the flood-ravaged populations through community-based hepatitis screening programs. Altogether, more than 120,000 people benefited from the Human Appeal's response. It is because of the commitment, resolve and support of our valued partners, the unflinching trust and confidence of the communities it serves, and the net outcome of its teamwork that Human Appeal has been able to help thousands of the people in their hour of need. Human Appeal is developing programs to set up early recovery and rehabilitation activities to ensure that lives saved through rescue and early relief efforts can be sustained, and the risk of large numbers of people entering a downward spiral of increasing vulnerability is mitigated.